What is up, movie lovers? My name is Matt Wolverine here, and welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm going to unboxing Logan DVD. Right, let's further ado an unboxing. Right then, look at the cover. It's a cover of Logan with a very nice background with the sunset. It says absolutely bloody brilliant by the Sun and 5 stars by the Times. The side. Here are X-23 known as Laura. There's Logan. There's Donald Pierce. There's Wolverine in the woods. And there's Charles and Logan. It's rated 15 for strong bloody violence and strong language. And it's 131 minutes. Let's look inside. And look at that disc. It's actually a really cool disc. Got Wolverine and Laura together. And contains the film and special features, which is the latest scenes with opinion, audio commentary by director James Mangold, and audio commentary by director Mangold. Yeah, and this film is absolutely amazing, and I've seen this twice in cinema because I love this movie so much, and it's absolutely the best X-Men movie ever, and also the best Wolverine movie. And it's directed by James Mangold, who previously directed by The Wolverine, which is I really enjoyed that movie. But then X-Men Origins Wolverine, which is absolutely crap. So that is all for this video. I hope you like this video. Press like button and subscribe for another video. And I'll see you guys next time.